Welcome back to Foxy's Art Box. Today, we're going to play with another Poseable Furbaby, Blizzard, the snow leopard. This little cutie was a joy to make, and once again, I'll be utilizing the ball and socket armature method. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a pattern, so take a photo of the animal that you're after and draw out the skeleton, just to give you an idea of where the joints are going to be. We're going to need Sculpey, the actual armature, a wooden ball, glass cabochons, paws, fur, hot glue, which is not there, and also a little bit of quilt batting. And I'll show you this step by step. First, we start with the glass cabochons. These are what we use for the eyes. And through the magic of time, here we go. Boom! Done. So these were back painted with acrylic paint. It's a really easy method, and it gives depth to the eyes, which has them follow you as you walk around the animal. And here's the ball that we're going to sculpt around. This provides an anchor for what to glue to. And once it's all done and sculpted, this is what it looks like. Here is the armature. I did have this already put together, but it's really easy to snap together. This is the jeton style, ball and socket. And as you can see, it's very, very mobile. This is the tool that snaps it together. Trust me, don't try and do them by hand. Using hot glue, glue the paws and the head on and allow that to fully cool. Once it's cool, take strips of quilt batting, especially the thin stuff that makes it easy to build up in increments, and wrap it all around your creature. Blizzard is a snow leopard, so technically quite lithe and long. So here is the mummified version, all fluffed out, leaving a little bit of space for when the fur gets sewed on. So for sewing on, what we do for the fur is a simple pattern that follows kind of the dimensions where it's going to get poofier and thinner, and cut slots for the legs. And you just move those through like a little jacket. You want this to be felt relatively snug. So sometimes it can be a little tricky getting the legs through. And then using a simple stitch method, coming from the back side of each piece, pull the thread through it. This helps to keep the fur from getting caught. And this goes all the way down the full length of your creature. This is with the jacket all put on. The legs have not been done yet, and those will be wrapped around and stitched again by hand. And this is what that looks like when that's all the way done. And here I've got the fur all glued onto the face and added some under fur for a little bit more extra fluff. I've also done the paws over the top to give kind of that snowshoe look that snow leopards have. Such a little cutie. We're not quite done yet. We still have one more step, and that is airbrushing. And that makes our cute little Blizzard ready to leap into the fray. So I added the extra pattern to the fur. There already was a little bit of stippling to the actual fur itself, but this just brought it out a little bit more and gave that actual snow leopard pattern. And Blizzard is quite poseable. And as you can see, the head moves very freely, as do the paws. and the tail. Blizzard was a lot of fun to make. I mean, these just are, is why I have a tendency to make quite a few of them. And as you can see, this is the cool effect of the eyes almost following you. That's the method of back painting the eyes. So I hope you enjoyed watching how I made Blizzard, and I hope that you have fun with your own creations, whatever they may be. Have fun crafting!